Hey guys, I hope everybody's doing well out there. Hope everybody's staying safe and practicing social distancing and wearing their masks. Anyway, this is just me cleaning up the engine bay on the Colorado LS swap project. This is the truck. I'm putting the 6-liter engine in that has a sloppy stage 2 cam in it. And anyway, yeah, I'm just using an old brush here and some degreaser, and I'm just trying to get everything cleaned off as best I can with that. Just before I hit it with the pressure washer, I'll put this stuff on, let it soak for a little bit, and then I'll hit everything with the pressure washer. One thing, as you can see there in the corner, I took plastic and I wrapped it around any connectors that were left in the engine bay, because I didn't want to get any water around those electrical connections. And I'm just ripping the old, that's just the sound deadening material, just getting rid of that old stuff so I can clean in behind it. Yeah, so we're just going to clean it up and get it ready for paint here. It wasn't that dirty, so it didn't take a whole lot of scrubbing to get it clean. Pressure washer, I think, did most of the work, but this stuff helps some. Now I'm hitting it with the pressure washer, and as you can see, the pressure washer cleans it up pretty quick. Doesn't take too long. And I wasn't going to even do this. I'm taking this LS swap a little farther than I normally would. I'm doing a little more work than I normally would. This truck is in really good shape, and so I figured I may as well clean it all up and spray a coat of paint on inside around the engine bay. Part of the reason I'm doing this too is because I'm actually waiting for some adapter plates to come. I ordered some adapter plates for the motor mounts, because I have to move the motor mounts back further, and the mounts that I have, I was going to make some mounts for the engine, but I had bought some back when I actually bought this truck because I knew I was going to need them. Current Performance didn't have anything available. They were out of stock. They still are out of stock. So anyway, I'm hoping that these adapter plates will work, and the motor will bolt in fine. I just figured while I'm waiting for them to come, they're only supposed to come, I think, in another week and a half. So I figured while I'm waiting for that, I may as well do a bit of this work and make the truck look that much better when I'm done. So that was just a tarp I use to push the truck in. I just fasten that onto the bumper and push it right in with the tractor. It works pretty slick. Just like that. Anyway, and my electric fan just came in. I ordered an electric fan. That was only supposed to come in around the 1st of December, I believe, and it actually came the other day, so came about a week early, which was good. I wish my adapter plates had came though, because then I could start mounting the engine in there to see how it's going to fit. But anyway, we'll just have to wait. Hopefully they'll get here in another week or so. And this is just, I'm making sure everything's nice and dry and clean in there. I'm just going over it with some degreaser. It's just wax and grease remover is all it is that I use. I put that on anything before I paint, because if you don't, you'll get fish eyes, paint won't stick, it just looks messy. So I usually try and always wipe it down with this stuff before I paint anything. And I'm just trying to get everything out of the way. Make sure, trying to move some of these pipes and wires and whatnot, get them out of the way. They don't need to be there. So I finished spraying the white on all the inner fenders there, and I must say it looks a lot better. Now I'm just trying to spray the frame and stuff black. it was in pretty good shape anyway. There was not a whole lot of rust down there, so basically just, well, as you saw earlier in the video, I cleaned it up with the pressure washer and got some degreaser in there and got the grease off it, and now I'm just spraying the black on. So anyway, at the end of this video, there's just a still shot picture of the engine, and that's what the next video is going to be about, is cleaning up and painting the engine. I decided if I'm, waiting for my adapter plates anyway, I may as well clean up and paint the engine too. I'm painting the engine bay, so anyway, you'll see the picture at the end of it. It looks pretty good, I think. Let me know what you guys think. I think it turned out pretty good. But yeah, that's going to be the next video. Will be on painting the engine. And I might throw a little clip in there of painting the transmission too. But anyway, I hope everybody is staying safe. Don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in this kind of stuff. Anyway, and I appreciate all the subscriptions and the likes and the comments, and I try and answer everybody. Anyway, stay safe, everybody, and bye for now.